is 7:57. Dishes and cat litter. Speaking of things I hate, why is this bed literally so solid? I have to go wash the dishes. So I just got out. Oh, I fed the kids cat. And I say, thank you, mommy. Ruby. And this is Scram. They have a YouTube channel if you want to check that out. Link will be in the description. Dishes done. So this is how much dishes I have. A couple plates. And then, but we are going to be making pancakes today. Make some pancakes with me. Make some pancakes with me. Alright, oh. Dishes, litter, morning walk, exercise, shower, breakfast, chill, edit. A lot of stuff to do, and this is my hair. Bro, what are you doing? You need to get out of there. No, yeah, get out too, Ruby. I'm trying to make my hair grow. These things will make it grow. Oh, she should put it into 4, not 2. Whoa! Oh. So I just went to the dollar store and got these sponges. Nice. This one's for my dishes. This one's for my this. I'm also on the phone with my best friend. Say hi, best friend. I just heard you found the one you've been looking. I just heard you found the one you've been looking. Guys, I finished. So I just take this thing and I just like scrub it, and then like the suds come out, the soapy suds. They turn to.
A ella le gusta este oeste, échale saliva, se fue este oeste, échale.
I just took all these off stove. We're going to use this and this. Dirty stuff off. Over and over again. So this is my stove. And then just my air fryer. I'm just going to oh my god. Down. Hats. My stuff is here. Yay! My bag. What's on? That's what I do, guys. Yeah, okay. Back with this baking soda on the floor, and it actually eliminates smells. Or this baking powder I need some. I'm about to go on a walk. Hello guys, starting at 12 o'clock on the walk. It's nice out, feel the air, get the vitamin D on your skin. It's amazing. Woo! Ooh, damn, I think he fell into his beer. Damn, babe, you felt something in your beer? Was it heavy? Anyways. That concludes our walk. Have a God bless day to somebody.
Sagging now.
Wait. So it's now, bro. So it's now 12:40 p.m. and we're about to do a 30-minute workout.
Nice.
Something hit. Body working so then we can feel good and just take a shower. Nice.
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 I made it look like trash now, but I'm gonna take a shower. Don't come for me. I know it's 12:44. Okay, girlies. Okay, Jemmies. What you're going to need for this workout class is water. Resistance band. Water. Resistance band. Resistance band. Water. Resistance band. Water. Take a sip. Water. Noise. Water. Noise. I am no exercise like trainer. Warm up. Let's hold it. Go into it and hold it. Oh yeah, you heard that? No. Just a girl. She's been working out. Arm stretch. Arm stretch. Arm stretch. Yes. 14 minutes. First workout. I want to grow my glutes so much. I just like love my butt. I just want to grow it so big. So big. So natural. So big. Get this. So natural. Resistance band to help me. It's 80 to 120 pounds. That's how much resistance that like, you're gonna be pulling on. Okay. I always start off my butt workouts, literally, either with like fire hydrants and pullbacks. If we're on a mat. If it looks good, yeah, squeeze your butt. That's one thing I do know for sure. You gotta do 10 or 8. If you feel like 10 is too much, do 8. Because then, if you're pushing for 10 and you only can do 8, then you're like 9, 10. Those two are not gonna matter because they're not gonna be real. Not gonna have your full strength. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know. One more. 1, 2, 3, and yes. 4. I'm gonna do the other side. My buns are really hurting. 5. That was good. Low-key, you do 3 sets of that. After that, we're gonna go into fire hydrants. You wanna take a minute after each exercise to get muscle endurance, muscle strength. I'm gonna do my fire hydrants and then tell you why it is good, because the train is gonna be there and the train wins every time. I'm not fighting over a train. Fire hydrants, you're gonna kick cardio, helps with getting your heart up. But you don't need no weight. Your weight is enough. You have body weight. Water bottle weight is enough. 2 pounds. Scream is here to watch. We're doing mountain timers for 45 seconds. Yeah, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Real feeling. It's 45-second plank. Let's get right into it. 2, 1. Woo! Raise it up. Bring it down. Woo! For a minute. And 1. Yeah. 45-second break. I'm gonna crunch your stomach the whole time. That core. This has 4 minutes. I've literally been working out this whole time. I'm not no liar, faker, joker, scammer, buyer. I'm a real player, boss, baby. I'm gonna get this body right summer and help you, baby. You can do what I just did, like 3 times. Do it 3 times over, and you'll really feel it. Get 2 gravy things, 2 cans, 2 whatever. Literally in your hand. You're gonna go like this. So start dropping a little bit. Boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. 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 Oh, I think you're this is literally cardio. Ready? Like this. I'm gonna stop jumping. If you don't wanna jump, in mobility, you go like that. And just go like that. Then you can add like a little thing into it. Ready? You literally do that for a minute. Take a break. Another minute. Take a break. Another minute. And trust me, you will be drenched, sweat. And I even got water. I'm really out of breath. Real life. Real life. But if I show you pictures of me, that's me. That's me. I got the sweat. That's your full workout. We don't care over here about acne. We don't care about imperfections. We're trying to show the realness of life. You can learn how to sew, learn how to cook. That takes all day, because if you're cooking, you have to cook it, a recipe, buy the ingredients, then you have to make it, wait for it, eat it, clean up. Then if you like it, or want to make more food, you have to do it all over again, and again, and again. And the workout that I showed you, just do it 3 times, back to back. Or you buy that gym membership and get yourself locked up in a deal, paying monthly. Now I'm about to go and take a shower so we can get clean. Finally, okay, it's kind of crazy, but I'm finally gonna make pancakes. 1:34. Welcome back. Welcome back. So I just got out of the shower. I did condition my hair in the shower. And just put it into like a twist. Leave-ins in it. I put leave-in inside the shower because I heard that it's like more moisture. Like water is already in your hair in the shower. Just moisturizing milk in. That's enough. Like that. A little bit of all of it. For pumps with this Garnier Marvelous oil. Okay, it looks like down here. That would be a big accomplishment. Let's go cook some pancakes. So I'm just about to make some pancakes from scratch. So I just melted some chocolate and I put it inside, and I just made literally some chocolate pancake mix from 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of water, and then you melt the chocolate chips in the hot cup of water that you're gonna pour in here, and then, yep, this is what you get. And then I'm just gonna add some extra chocolate chips to make it like double chocolatey, and then we're gonna put it on the pan, and we're gonna fry it up, and we're going to... Hi, beautiful gems. So I really haven't been doing nothing. I'm just about to edit, and I just was like checking my YouTube and playing with the cat. Like, this is Graham sleeping and chilling with Anthony, and just basically just chilling. Oh, that was special. He never does that on camera. Hi, buddy boy. Look, he loves me. Yeah. Oh my God, he farted. That's why. You literally farted and expected me to cuddle you, boy. My child. Let's show you some cute. Let's try to show you.